I'm Wendy from Shiny Happy World, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble this cute rat pattern. Here's how to make it. All right, this is the video showing you how to assemble the rat applique pattern if you are using a light box. So I've got my light box set up. I've got my light box turned all the way up. I've got my placement guide, and I've got a clear silicone sheet. I've got all of my pieces cut out and prepped, so the fusible adhesive is, paper-backed fusible adhesive is fused to the back side of the fabric, and then I cut all the pieces out on the solid lines, and now I've got them prepared, except for one thing. So the dotted lines you can ignore. Those are placement guides. They are only there if you are not using a light box. The solid lines are stitching lines, and those you do want to transfer over to the fabric side of the piece. The eyelashes are optional. I'm not going to do the eyelashes on this rat, but I am going to stitch the little smile. So I'm going to just lay that down so the light will shine through it, and then I'm just going to transfer that line over to the fabric side. Now I'm ready to go. So I'm going to start with piece number 1. Because the numbers tell you what piece is what, and they also tell you in what order you will lay them down. So piece number 1 is our start. And then 2 and 3 are the ears. And then we're going to have some inner ears, which you don't have to use, but I like that detail. This is a really, really simple rat. Making him simpler makes him look cuter. And so I just wanted that little bit of detail on his ears. This is piece number 4, and then piece number 5 is the other ear. And then number 6 is his head. And I've used, you'll see that these fabrics all match very much in color, and just the pattern is different on them. These are all blenders from my Gemstones collection. These are all emerald blenders, so the greens all coordinate with each other. All right, there's one eye. If you have trouble seeing any of the lines through the fabric, especially if the fabric is a little bit darker, just push it down so that it makes contact, and then you can see the lines through a lot better. And then the last piece is his full round nose. And there we go, one emerald green rat. So I'm going to very carefully lift up this silicone mat, carry it over to my ironing board, and fuse all these pieces together. I'll let it cool, and then I'll peel it off the silicone sheet, and I'll fuse it down to the quilted block that I have. I'll do all the outline stitching on it, and I'll bring it back, and I'll show you some other versions of the rat that I made. All right, here is one finished rat. This one has the optional eyelashes, which give it a little extra cuteness. I also wanted to point out something different that I did with the background block on this one. So this is 2 pieces of fabric from the Strawberry Blenders collection. So the pinks are exactly the same shade of pink, but you get 2 different patterns. And I really like how that just added a little bit of extra interest to the background block. But I also made some rats in different colors. So this is a rat that I made that I thought would coordinate really well with the farm animals bundle that I'm working on. So he's in shades of eggplant, and the background block is one of the farmer's market blenders. And I've got one more version, very, very bright and colorful. This is to represent the year of the rat for a lunar zodiac bundle that I've been working on, where all the animals are in bright gemstone colors and all of the background blocks are red blenders. So 3 different rats, totally different look to all of them. You can get that pattern at shinyhappyworld.com. I'm Wendy, and I'll see you next time.